Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Emperor 101. And the reason why I'm creating the channel is to help myself to practice it anywhere I want. To practice English anywhere I want. For example, right now I'm shopping with my wife. And then how can I make time to practice? Easy. Okay. So right now even I am shopping with my wife, right? And then I can practice English. You can see, you can practice it 5 times or at least 4 times. And then you listen to it, practice while you are shopping, which is very convenient. So make sure you take advantage of this. Don't waste it. All right, let's make more time to do this. Now preparing is about general listening about job, right? So job arguments like qualifications, job ability, job skills, and output productivity. Secondly, it can improve productivity. As described by experts, people when feel heard are more likely to engage in their job and that's maximizing. I concur with the statement for two main reasons: better qualification and productivity. First of all, crucial to personal and professional success are job abilities, which can be boosted by genuine listening. Research shows that nurtures communication, interpersonal and problem-solving skills, leading to better job performance and career advancement. Secondly, it can improve productivity, as described by experts. People when feel heard are more willing to be engaged in their job performance. That's maximizing productivity. To sum up, it can improve both job skills and output. Alright, that's about it. I hope you guys like it. Very realistic. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Alright, I hope you guys the best. Alright, time to eat. Let's dig in.